Today I'll be sharing 3 recipes that include the oil of the week, ylang. Hi, Rosalie here, a heart-centered entrepreneur. Welcome to Take On Thursdays, where I share more ways to use this week's featured oil. Remember, the life-enhancing benefits of doTERRA essential oils only work when you open the cap and use them. The first recipe I'm going to share today is simply to help transform any dreary mood to a cheery mood by using ylang. Whether you're feeling down or stressed, apply a few drops of this essential oil to the back of your neck for a calming and uplifting effect. Due to one of ylang-ylan's oil main chemical constituents, germacrine, the oil contains natural abilities to soothe, and ylang-ylang is also known for its uplifting effects and is a great oil to apply in need of an elevating boost. The second recipe is a leave-in conditioning spray. Sometimes hair just needs a little extra boost, and this sweet-smelling spray infused with essential oils will help promote healthy-looking hair. The rosemary oil in this mixture conditions and strengthens, while ylang-ylang leaves locks looking full, smooth, and silky. Whether you use it every day or only in the dry winter months, this leave-in conditioner provides great support for hair that's feeling stiff and overworked. It contains distilled water, vegetable glycerin, our fractionated coconut oil, rose water, and our essential oils ylang-ylang and rosemary. You combine all the ingredients in an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. Then you shake it well and spray over damp hair after your normal shampoo and conditioning routine. Do not rinse your hair, style your hair as usual. And the third recipe is for a makeup setting spray, which is a really great way to add hours of wear to your daily makeup routine. The natural recipe includes lavender and ylang-ylang oils, which both have soothing and rejuvenating properties for skin. You'll be able to keep your makeup looking fresh and enjoy the aromatic benefits of these oils too. It contains water, witch hazel, aloe vera juice, and ylang-ylang and lavender essential oils. In the small spray bottle, you combine the water, witch hazel, and aloe vera juice, shake it well to combine it, then add your lavender and ylang-ylang oil. Shake it again to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Then you apply it to your face after your regular makeup routine for hours of extended wear. Remember, before each use, you want to shake it well before using it. I have so many more ideas and recipes to share. However, another Take On Thursday. Thank you for joining me today, and if you liked these ideas and want the recipes, make sure you click on the link in my post. My Friday follow-ups will be about wrapping up the week, answering your questions, free resources to assist in your knowledge, and of course, much more. Let me know if there's anything you would like me to cover, and I can add that to my Friday follow-ups. I hope you're now ready to take on any day and have an amazing day, and see you tomorrow.